10:35 in the morning, and this is an S904 research train, eastbound, Main 1. On the left, we see some equipment doing something with trees over there. And there you have the 904 eastbound Main 1, and thanks for watching.